Hi guys, welcome to Pakuppaivu channel. Just imagine you are working on a project or any job. It is completed to certain percentage. You want to show to the management how much it is completed and you have to update it periodically. And you can able to show by words just mentioning 25% completed, 30% completed. But it will make more sense if you are showing that graphically. For that, we can use a speedometer chart or a graph chart. Just see this chart on the screen. If I'm changing the percentage completed, automatically the needle gets changed. If you make a template like this and automatically whatever the completion status comes up, once you mention, the needle moves on, and as well as you can able to copy and paste in your PPT or in your report, wherever you want. If you're making a dashboard, you can use this chart as well. This chart will show you visually how much job is completed. It is not that you have to use only for the work completion. You can show using this chart for OTD of your suppliers. What is the percentage of your suppliers? So now in this video, we will show you how you can able to create this chart. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Now, I'm going to a new sheet. This speedometer chart is nothing but a combination of a donut and pie chart. For that, I am creating two series. One is for the donut and another one is for the pie. So here I am going to work on percentage. So I'm going to enter all the values in percentage. First, I am creating the series for donut, which is 25%, then 50%, then 25 again, then 100%. Here for the pie, for example, the project is completed only 40%. So this is where the actual value comes in. And here, this is going to be 1%. And this is a formula which we have to use 200% minus whatever the 40% and the 1%. So now, so here in case of donut, there is 4 entries, and in case of pie, there is only 3 entries. Select the data and go to insert. Under the combo chart, there is an option to create custom combo chart. The first one is donut. So I'm going to select the donut type. The second one is a line is there, but I want a pie. I've selected. Here the secondary axis is donut, but I want pie has to be in secondary axis. Now click OK. So now you are getting only a pie. Now go to format, select pie, and among the pie, select each and every point. And here first I'm making series 3 as no fill, and next I'm making point 1 series 1 as no fill. And again, the chart and format selection, you have to ensure the angle of first slice has to be 270 for the pie chart. Now there is a needle. This needle, if you want, you can keep it in same color, or else we can able to change it as well by selecting the needle. I'm looking for a black color needle, so I have changed the fill. Now I have to edit the donut chart now to make the series. So I am removing the entries of pi. So I am having only the donut and selecting the donut series. Then here format selection, same entry of 270 mentioning. Now I'm selecting each series similar to pi. I'm making no fill only for the bottom series. The remaining one, I'm changing the color. First one, I'm keeping it as red. The second one, I'm keeping it as yellow. The third one, I'm keeping it as green. So I have got the color. What it is, the first one, which is 0 to 25%, then it is going to be 25 to 75, then 75 to 100. So I want only the half speedometer kind of half circle only I want, so that looks like a speedometer. So I have ensured the bottom one is with no fill. Now go to filter and ensure both the pie chart and donut chart are available. See, now you have got a speedometer kind of look, and we don't want this data. And if you want, select this chart and you can increase the size. And chart design, you can ensure the title about chart. Mention this as project status. Just making some changes to it. This is project status. Now, so here what I want is I don't want these details to be visible. So I am selecting this and I'm giving white color and I am giving white color for the bottom. Now, the other thing is by changing this entry, automatically the needle moves. Be aware that the completion percentage will be between 0 to 100%. Right now, I can mention on 50% also. See, the needle goes down. So in order to avoid this, we can use data validation. Select the cell, go to data, go to data validation. And in that, select decimal between. See, here we are using percentage, that means 0 to 1, basically. And as well, give an error message. This is completion percentage. Value has to be between 0% and 100%. So now, if someone is entering 101, he will get an error message. So you can't able to enter a value above 100. Just cancel it. Now enter 99, 99 comes in. It is 67, 67 comes in. So by using data validation, we can avoid the value has to be within a particular range. So if it is out of the range, then automatically Excel throws the error and it will shows with the message in what range the value has to be mentioned. So now moving ahead, we have to enter few more things. This is the percentage, put a table is equal to, and select this, and select this box. No, and just format it 14 and bold it. Now here the heading is pi, you mention as completed, and again insert one box, connect it here, then select this box, so it's done. Just remove the outline. See, now you have done with your speedometer chart. Just change the percentage, automatically the needle moves. It can be your project completion percentage or work completion percentage, or it can be any other value like OTD or anything. Even you can see the percentage, whatever here in this donut I have used is 25, 50 and 25 again. But in case if you want to have this as 50, then 75, then 25, so not 75, it has to be 25, 25. Then see, up to 50% it is in red condition, then up to 75 it will be yellow, then last. So by changing the value, you can decide what kind of color indication you want to maintain in this. So here we don't want to show the value, so that's why I have mentioned here. So by changing the values here, you can able to change the color indications as well. So now, hope you have learned how to create a speedometer chart using Excel. If you like this video, click like button and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please put it in comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.